I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market is my most read trading book. I've read it 4 or 5 times. I love this book, and today we're going to get into the psychology of how Nicholas Darvas was able to make millions of dollars in the 1950s, traveling abroad, no internet, no connection to the stock market, only half a little tweet, basically a wire with 20 characters once a day telling him he has no charts, he has no one to talk to, making millions while dancing on tour around the world. Really amazing story. And I've talked about the strategy before. I made another video on this book talking a little bit about the strategy, but I want to talk about the psychology. When he was making a lot of money, he had the idea that he would go back to Wall Street and day trade. A lot of you guys don't know, people were day trading in the 50s. Day trading's been around a long time. It's never worked very well. And he immediately almost went broke. Lost his sanity, became very stressed out, and almost lost all his money. Well, on the contrary, when he's thousands of miles from Wall Street, limited technology, only getting a little bit of information, he's making absurd amount of money. Again, this is the 50s, millions of dollars in the 50s it's extraordinary. So what this did for me is it's like, man, you don't need to look at charts. You don't need to watch the charts. You don't necessarily need to spend that much time. You can work a really interesting profession or career. It's probably going to help you. You can make millions of dollars in your part-time. So his issue was he was a professional dancer. He's dancing in East Asia, he's dancing across Europe, and he's on the move. Again, information traveled slower there. He also got a Barron's magazine, which would arrive once a week, but would arrive days late. He'd look for volume to find out what stocks were in play, and use that to tell his broker to wire me the initial, the high, the low, and the close. And he would watch only a couple stocks, and he would also have the high and the low, and I think the close of the index too. It's like sandwiched in 20 characters, watching 2-3 stocks in the index. That's all he needed. You don't need much information. That's not to say it's simple, but it can be easy. You find strong assets, you buy them, and you go to sleep, and you live your life. It can be that easy. So I love the psychology of this. The trading strategy is still applicable, and again, we took elements of this and added it to our system, Market Timing Pro. MTP, which you can comment MTP down below, and I will send you a free demo. I'll send you some free information. The system's not for free, but get the book, read it. It's really entertaining, really fascinating. How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market by Nicholas Darvas.